Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So today I am going to be doing a chicken farm for you guys. So I'm only going to show you a basic one, which is just basically one block for the chickens. But as you can see behind me, I've done a chicken in a nest, which is a slightly larger, more of a medium industrial size one. But I'm only going to be showing you the basic one and all the stuff that you'll need in today's video. So let's go over to the board over here. So in today's, you're going to need a chest, a hopper, dispenser, any block that you require for the sides, a glass if you wish to watch the chickens suffer, half slab, a bucket of lava, and these bits I'll come back to in a moment. So let's get down here and start on the build. So first of all, obviously you're going to need the chests, and then followed by that the hopper, and then you start on the sides. These chickens are going to get in my way now. Get out of the way. Right, so that is part of that one done. So the next thing you're going to need is to place your half slab just above the hopper. Obviously, as I said, you can add the glass if you want. I do, just to make it look nice. Add your dispenser like so. Always make sure that the hole is facing out this way, otherwise it's not going to work. So by placing the half slab back there, build the sides up again like so, and a hopper on top like that. So placing your lava, as you can see, it leaves a gap just above the half slab. That is where the chicken's going to end up landing. If I come over to here, as you can see that there is little chickens. As they grow up, they'll end up turning into cooked meat for you. Saves you having to use the furnace and everything else. So collect these eggs quickly. Hopefully get a few chickens out of them. So just by building up the sides again like so, covering that one. If I just do that one there, and the sides there. Right, and let's chuck some chickens in. Do you know what? Actually, let's go with the chickens there. There you go. So that is pretty much the chicken farm done. Like I said, it's nice and simple. So the best way to do this one is to get the dispenser working. I'll show you now. So this is where the other parts come into it. So by placing some more bricks down on the floor like so. There is two ways of doing this. I shall show you both of them as well. So you're going to need the redstone repeater, some redstone dust, redstone torch, and the redstone comparator. So at the moment we're only going to use the repeaters. So nice simple layout like that, and then redstone, 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 redstone. So make sure that each one of these are set different, otherwise it won't work. And then for the redstone, if we just place one redstone there and quickly take it away, that failed. So let's change one of these up. I'll try again. I think I wasn't quick enough then. Nope. Let's try again. And there we go. As you can see, it does take a while to try and get it working, but it does. I said this is one way of doing it, so there isn't as much noise coming from there. Another way that you can do it is a different way that I normally do it, but I find the redstone way that way is a lot easier. So place a hopper there, stick one on that side, get rid of that one again and place it back there. Get the comparator, place it there. We've went one redstone, and then obviously here would be the dropper or dispenser. The dispenser. So what I'll do, just to show you guys, is put that one there, dispenser there, and just fill it up with items. So you see that one there's done. So all you need to do then is just literally chuck. Oop. Okay, let's try again. Chuck one item inside them. So they're literally going to and from, and it sends off a signal. And as you see, it just chucks everything out nicely. So I said this is only the small version of it. Obviously you can make it a lot more larger. I've made one 3x3 inside of this chicken one, just to make it look quite fancy, and it works really well. So instead of having to use the chickens to put into the furnace and then you using your resources, just build it this way and it saves you so much time and effort. So, I hope this video helps most of you. If it did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more contents like this, which should be coming out a lot more soon, don't forget to subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below if you need any more tips on this one. So from myself, I've been Abo37. I'll see you again next time. Bye!